No. Oh! Yeah! I'm going to do this! I'm going to kill you! No!
I about the camera.
No! No!
Yeah.
Japan guns.
I bet the camera.
No!
Yeah! Okay, I have a secret choice.
I don't have a gun, so I must choose a fish that bites! Come on with your stuff! Oh, come on! You wanna go? I've done it! I have killed a mean biscuit! I will run away and I can steal something of his. Something. Oh. Ah! He's dead now, by the way, guys. But I have to kill you now. R.I.P. Ah! No! Hey guys, it's Epic with my beautiful dog Rocky. Say hello to the camera. Oh yeah. Oh. You did high five, you guys. Well, that's what we do, guys, today with our video. We hope you enjoyed. It was quite silly, as you know. Like, we're not actually got weird in a knife, but please try to get a few likes for this video.
Yeah, and
10, please. It took a lot of work.
if you want to see a video to introduce a dog properly, then could we get 15?
Yeah, we can try and get 15. Anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed. And also, we do need give a few likes and shout outs for us. Subs for this guy. Look how adorable he is. And don't say like he's only a puppy. He's 2.5. Jesus. Yep. He's nearly my age. So we're not nearly my age, he's 2.5, but his birthday's now. But anyway, we hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, my fans.